Wealth building is no longer just for the rich. Anyone can create financial success with the right mindset, strategies, and dedication. Starting from scratch? No problem. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you pave your way to wealth. 1. Set clear financial goals. Every wealth journey begins with a destination. Are you saving for a house, planning early retirement, or building a safety net? Action. Write down your short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. Break them into achievable milestones with specific timelines. 2. Master the art of budgeting. A solid budget is your financial roadmap. Without it, wealth building becomes guesswork. Action. Track every dollar you earn and spend. Use tools like Mint or YNAB to categorize expenses and identify savings opportunities. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. 3. Build an emergency fund. Financial security begins with an emergency fund. It protects you from unexpected expenses, like medical bills or car repairs. Action. Save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Start small. Automate $50 to $100 monthly into this fund until it grows. 4. Tackle high-interest debt. Debt is the biggest obstacle to wealth building. Paying off high-interest debt frees up money for savings and investments. Action. Use the avalanche method, pay highest interest debt first, or snowball method, smallest balance first. Avoid incurring new debt during this process. 5. Start investing early. Investing is how money grows over time. The earlier you start, the longer your money compounds. Action. Begin with low-cost index funds or ETFs. Use tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or HSAs. Contribute consistently, even if it's just $50 per month. 6. Diversify your income. Wealth accelerates with multiple income streams. Relying solely on a 9-to-5 limits your earning potential. Action. Explore freelancing, rental income, side hustles, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. 7. Live below your means. The secret to building wealth isn't just earning more, it's spending less. Action. Differentiate between needs and wants. Avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. Prioritize savings and investments over luxury expenses. 8. Educate yourself about money. Financial literacy is key to making informed decisions. The more you know, the better you'll manage your wealth. Action. Read books like The Richest Man in Babylon or The Millionaire Next Door. Follow financial podcasts or YouTube channels for actionable tips. 9. Leverage tax advantages. Tax efficiency plays a significant role in wealth building. Paying less in taxes means keeping more for yourself. Action. Contribute to tax-advantaged accounts and consult a financial advisor to optimize your tax strategy. 10. Track and adjust your plan. Wealth building is a dynamic process. Goals and circumstances evolve, so your strategy should, too. Action. Review your finances monthly. Adjust savings rates, investments, or goals based on life changes or new opportunities. Building wealth from scratch requires discipline and patience, but it's achievable for anyone willing to commit to the process. Focus on smart saving, investing early, and living below your means. Start today. The sooner you begin, the faster your wealth will grow.